Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm in the Dorothy Clive Garden and I'm making several recordings here today because I've been told that yes, I'm being referred for cataract surgery, and I said that I was willing and quite happy to take any cancellation. So I feel that I have to have some recordings in the bag for just in case that happens. Not that anybody would miss me if I didn't post anything, but do you know, I would miss posting. So Dorothy Clive Garden is a great place to make a batch of recordings. And I'm sitting on one of the 50 or so benches with a prime view of the lower waterfall and Woody Woodpecker there. Get a bit closer to him. Oh gosh, that bench is soggy. He's keeping his eye on proceedings. So the bench on which I have been sitting is dedicated to Fred and Doris. And when I spend some time sitting on a bench like that, I always think, I hope they used to enjoy wandering around here just as much as I enjoy wandering around here. No matter what the time of year. And boy, does that soil ever look rich. Good black loam. It's as if there's a magnet in the water. It always draws me in. And it's not that I'm a water sign. Not that I pay much attention to those really, but I'm a Capricorn, so I think that's an earth sign. But it pulls me in. Do 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 do. And I love that weeping tree there. Tears of the tree. And tears of the water. Memories of playing on little waterfalls on a day trip to I know not where when I was little. I can remember sitting on the flat rocks and water tumbling nearby. Bamboo. I will not start singing from, oh gosh, what was it called, that film with Dick Van Dyke in, where he didn't do a very good English accent. But there was a dance, the old bamboo. Mary Poppins, that's it, got there eventually. But as the sound of the water fades, I will sign off and begin my journey back to the car because the rain is coming once again. Hey ho, the brolly will come out. Thank you so much for joining me. Speak to you soon. Bye.